Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messages not working. Now, if you are trying to send a message to one specific person and not being able to send, that could mean that person could have likely blocked you. So you want to make sure that's not the case. You can try messaging other people, but if you can send messages to none of them and you cannot send to any of them, then to fix this, long press on the Instagram application, tap the I button to come to it app info page, and then go to the storage, tap on this clear the cache and clear the data. This will log you out of your account. By the way, now open up the Instagram application on Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then just make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version and this will solve your problem. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.